Hey guys, summer is here, and what better way to celebrate the season than updating your wardrobe with some trendy kurti from Amazon? I recently did an affordable kurti haul from Amazon, and I am so excited to share my unboxing experience with you all. The first kurti I got this flower print cotton kurti. It's super lightweight and perfect for those hot summer days. I love the vibrant color and the fitting is just right. Next up, I got this pastel colored wrap around kurti. It's made of soft cotton fabric and has a beautiful block print designs. The best part is that is comes with a belt that that your best perfectly. Moving on to something a bit more festive, the integrated detailing is just amazing, and it definitely adds a touch of glam to any occasion. Last but not least, I got this simple yet elegant white kurti. It's perfect for formal gatherings or even for a casual days out. It's made of breathable fabric, and overall I am really happy with my Amazon kurti haul. They are all so affordable and stylish. I can't wait to wear them all throughout the summer. And thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more fashion and lifestyle content. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you.